It's time to stop learning a new skill, a new tactic, or a new tip. It's time to stop reading books on how to do business better. Instead, it's time to act. It's time to get started. It's time to go ahead and apply what you've learned to your business so that you can actually see the results. Today, I'm going to share some thoughts that I learned from Seth Godin. It brings great perspective that you can apply to your business and your life starting today. Let's jump right in and get started. I like the analogy that Seth Godin gives when it comes to separating those that are successful and those that are not successful. Imagine this magician. He's on stage, he performs his act, and an 8-year-old in the crowd hollers out and says, "Hey, I know how you did that act. I know how you did that." And he probably won't be the only one in the crowd who knows the trick. There might be others who know the trick, and there's many other people who know the trick. But the magician is the only one on the stage doing it. Nobody else is. So that bears the question, if everybody knows the trick, if everybody knows the tactic, the tips, why isn't everybody out there trying to make something happen, getting on stage, bring real value to people, and to actually make a difference? Why aren't they doing that? Every trick, every tip, every hack you can find on Google search, you can find in books. There's scores of books. If you want to become a leader, if you want to become a manager, if you want to become an online business guru, if you want to sell digital products, have an e-commerce store, tons and tons of information out there. If you want to become an affiliate, again, tons of information out there. And if everybody knows the trick, if everybody knows the tip, if everybody knows the tactic, then why is there so few people out there actually winning in this space? And so that's my question that I want to give to you, that I want to even ask myself as well, is am I spending my time learning the tactics and the trick that's keeping me from acting out on what I learn and what I know and what I feel inside and what I know has got to be shared with the world so that it can serve the people that it's meant to serve. The longer I hold back on that and learn another trick, learn another tactic, learn another skill, it delays me from doing the very thing that I know I need to do to get out there on the world stage that I'm presenting to and just share it and be a leader in that and being willing to take a risk just so that message can get out there. So I just had to share that with you. I wish you all the best and success in your journey and wherever your life and business takes you. Thanks for joining me today. Let's stay connected. The best way that we can stay connected is for you to grab a free resource that I'm giving to you. It's in the comments below, and you can get it at ecreatebiz.com. It's a free business guide that will give you some fresh insights into what you can apply into your business. But ultimately, it's a way for us to stay connected. It's a way for me to continue to share new content like what you're seeing today. Grab that free guide, let's stay connected, and I will see you on the next one.